we're joined now by Ainsley McPhail. She's on Polson Avenue with the winner of our Glorious Gardens contest.
Congratulations to Elizabeth. Thank you so much, everybody, for your submissions. Yep, the most beautiful garden in the North End. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
So we're just going to give you the lowdown. This is the entranceway. Look how beautiful the hydrangeas are. But there's more, and some of those tomatoes are almost ready too.
Yes, yes. More weeks, we're going to have a salad.
Tell us about this garden. What first got you into gardening?
You know, that's my hobby. You have to have a hobby. I retired, and you have to have a hobby. And I love nature and flowers. That's how it started.
What are some of your favorite flowers? Because we're seeing some commonalities here.
You know, they're all the same. They're all the same. I love them all the same. I love these ones, Brugmansia. I love these flowers.
And it's funny, we were joking about the promo for Get Growing, St. Mary's Nursery, how natural it is to be smelling a flower. That's how I smell all the flowers.
Nice.
That's why thank you, thank you. You don't have a favorite flower, though?
You know, not really. No. I love them all almost the same.
And do you have any rivals? When I say that, I don't mean other gardeners. I mean the squirrels.
Yes. Yes, they are here. Oh, they are digging my flowers, yeah. But, you know, I try to give them apple and dry bread or something, and maybe they leave me alone in my garden.
What's next for you? I'm sure that it's addicting when you have a hobby like this, because you're thinking, okay, what can I add?
Yeah, always, always. You go to the green house, and you're buying more and more and more, and then in a car you stay and it says, okay, where I'm gonna put it.
Something neat about this garden too is that it's beautiful also at night.
Yes, yes, all these white bowls and everything, it's a solar lights, and it's beautiful. It's amazing here at night.
I love it. I want to watch every sunrise, every sunset. I want to grab a book and a nice bubbly. $500 to St. Mary's Nursery and Garden Center. Look at you. Congratulations.
Yes.
Looks like Ainsley is moving in on Polson Avenue.